IKNX School App, the best application for the KNX world. IKNX School App is the only application in the world that brings together all the resources required to learn KNX, as well as the tool needed to assist you in commissioning your projects. It is entirely free of charge for the user and has no limitations on its use. That means it is the only thing you need to have installed on your own device in order to grow as a professional within the KNX world. This solution has been developed with the experience of the IKNX engineering team in delivering training courses and carrying out KNX projects, some of which have received awards at both national and international levels. In short, IKNX School App is an application that will help you learn about KNX during your time as a student, guide you as you undertake your first projects as a beginner integrator, and provide you with the tools required to commission your projects as an expert professional. The market is filled with information about KNX that is not organized by sector, user type of institution, goals, and so on. Until now, there was no single point of convergence where all such resources could be found in one place in an accessible and user-friendly manner. The professional development of the user had never been taken into account, despite the fact that at each stage of their career they require specific resources. Project commissioning tools were dependent on each manufacturer, and therefore no common tool existed for consultation and practical use. Our application brings together all the tools required by any professional entering the world of KNX, from their beginnings as a student to their establishment as an expert professional. It is the only application that offers tools for training, project troubleshooting, and support for carrying out a swift and effective commissioning process. The application is divided into three major sections: learning resources for KNX, where we find tools designed to provide all the theoretical knowledge you require; KNX community resources, where we find comprehensive information about the KNX community and access to its contact details; and the KNX project assistance resources, where we find tools used by expert integrators to diagnose issues in installations and commission their projects efficiently. In the following sections, we shall explain the most noteworthy tools within each block, even though our application offers many further utilities beyond those described. Learning resources for KNX. In this section, you will find both theoretical and practical resources for learning KNX. Some of these take the form of documents, while others are video tutorials. Certain documents may only be seen on your device, since downloading them is forbidden. This also ensures that the content you consult is always up to date. We shall now examine each tool within this section in detail. Access to official course syllabuses. All syllabuses for official KNX courses are available for consultation. The application does not permit the downloading of content nor the taking of screenshots. However, all courses may be accessed in any of the available languages. Access to the KNX Association's YouTube channel videos. The KNX Association YouTube channel offers highly informative videos about the world of KNX. All of these videos may be seen within the application and are organized in different playlists. Access to IKNX School videos. IKNX School holds a repository of over 300 tutorials covering devices, repairs, real-world projects, and much more. All of this content, which offers considerable professional insight, is available for users to view freely. Although the videos are produced in Spanish, YouTube allows users not only to display subtitles in their own language, but also to change the audio language. Access to free of charge IKNX School courses. By virtue of being a user of the application, IKNX School makes a selection of its courses freely available. As all content is delivered in video format, users may complete each course in a convenient and straightforward manner. A different course is made available each month. KNX Community Resources. The Community Resources section provides all the information necessary to remain in contact with institutions and bodies related to the world of KNX. It also includes a number of highly useful tools for your projects, which may be shared with the wider community. Now we will describe some of the most notable features of this section. KNX Manufacturer Directory. This is a tool for verifying whether a company that manufactures KNX products is complying with the required manufacturer standards. All manufacturers certified under the KNX standard will appear on this list. KNX Training Center Directory. This tool provides access to the database of official KNX training centers, allowing you to contact one of them in order to enroll on an official course. Educational Institutions Directory. This section displays all establishments that hold an agreement with the KNX Association as an educational center. Should you be a student wishing to study at an associated educational center, you will be able to find the center nearest to your location within this list. Certified Devices Directory. This tool allows you to verify whether a product is genuinely certified. It is particularly useful when there is a reason to suspect that a product has not been certified in accordance with the KNX Association standards. The tool includes a search field in which you may enter the device reference, as well as a filter option by manufacturer. National Groups Directory. These are the institutions in each country that represent the KNX Association. Should you wish to contact the national group in the country where you reside, the relevant contact details can be found within this list. This section displays the contact details of all organizations dedicated to promoting the KNX standard in their respective regions through many working groups. Scientific Partners Directory. This section shows all scientific research bodies that collaborate with the KNX Association within their respective countries. Testing Laboratory Directory. This section displays the contact details of all companies dedicated to testing, certifying, and evaluating KNX devices. Technical Specifications Book, or commonly known as Cookbook. This section presents the technical documentation for the KNX protocol in PDF format. It is divided into chapters covering system specifications, requirements, certification, and more. Trade Fair and KNX Event Admissions. As a user of the application, you may enjoy exclusive access to trade fairs and KNX events. When you are invited to an event, your admission pass will appear in this section of the application. KNX Symbology for Microsoft VCO. Microsoft VCO is a tool widely used by students in technical institutes. Within the application, you will find the KNX device symbology library for use in your electrical schematics. This library has been created in its entirety by IKNX School. Repair software files. Within the resources section, you will also find support and repair software to assist you in configuring your computer when you begin to carry out your first device programming tasks. Project Assistance Resources. The Project Assistance Resources section comprises all the tools an integrator requires in order to commission a project. Here you will find tools for analysis, diagnostics, calculation, and commissioning. ETS Download Repository. Here you will find the repository of latest versions of the ETS software, ready for download. KNX Scanner. This is a highly useful tool for projects that have been carried out by other integrators and that eventually require an inspection. Using this utility, you may scan the Wi-Fi network to which your device is connected and discover all connected IP routers. This way, you are able to recreate the topology of the building in the event that such information is not available to you. KNX Monitor. This tool allows you to view on your device all telegrams streamed through a selected IP router. All that is required is a connection to the Wi-Fi network where the IP router is installed. KNX Communication Tool. This tool enables you to test a finished project by sending commands and forcing states. In order to do so, your device must be connected to the Wi-Fi network where the IP router is located. Should the installation not include an IP router, you may install a temporary one in order to communicate with the building while conducting your commissioning tests. ETS Project Loading. One of the most noteworthy features of the application is that it allows you to load ETS projects to view all group addresses and the project topology. Once the device loads the project and is connected to the building's Wi-Fi network using an IP router, you may review the installation, force states, verify set points, and much more. This is an extremely practical solution for carrying out commissioning without the need for a laptop or ETS licenses. IP Device Scanner. The IP Scanner tool is designed to identify the IP addresses of devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network your device is connected to. This way, you will be able to determine which addresses are under use and which are available for assignment to other KNX devices. Resistor color code. Occasionally, certain KNX devices, such as security terminals or zone terminals, require the integration of terminating resistors with a defined ohmic value, which is usually specified by the manufacturer. In order to avoid errors in resistor selection, the application displays a standard resistor color code table along with tolerance values. Data cable color code. One of the tasks that you will commonly encounter in the world of KNX is the connection of network cables belonging to touch panels, web servers, and similar equipment. To ensure that such connections are made correctly, the application displays the color code table for network cables in the most widely used topologies. IP Camera Viewer. When installing an IP camera and wishing to display its feed on a KNX web server, one of the most challenging aspects is adjusting the image to fit the dimensions of the screen. The application provides a tool that allows you to adjust the camera settings while viewing the image on your own device without having to relocate to where the camera monitor is situated. Electrical Calculator. Any complex KNX project will require electrical calculations to be carried out. To make these calculations more straightforward, the application includes an electrical calculator featuring the most commonly required operations. Unit Converter. In many building projects, unit conversion calculations are required in order to assign the resulting values to ETS device parameters. To perform those calculations, the application provides a practical conversion tool. Sun position, sunrise, and sunset times. A device commonly encountered in residential and commercial building projects is the weather station. The orientation of such devices is fundamental to their correct operation. And it is equally important for the project to verify that the sunrise and sunset times correspond to what has been programmed in the web servers. This tool allows you to calibrate the weather station and confirm that its positional data for sunrise and sunset are accurate. Compass. When you wish to implement blind or shutter control based on sunrise and sunset positions, it is necessary to determine the orientation of the various facades of the building. To address this requirement, the application incorporates a built-in compass. Lux meter. The lux meter allows you to measure the luminosity at a given point. This is especially useful when working with motion or presence detectors, as it enables you to verify that the light levels in a room are appropriate when implementing constant and automatic lighting regulation. Sound level meter. There are projects in which the ambient sound system plays a particularly significant role. To verify that sound levels are appropriate, the application provides a tool that allows you to carry out all the necessary checks and, accordingly, to adjust the maximum and minimum levels for music scenes on your speakers. Spirit level. The spirit level assists in positioning switches, thermostats, push buttons, and electrical panels correctly in the horizontal plane. It is an extremely useful tool when installing devices within your project and ensuring that all of them are properly aligned. Wi-Fi signal checker. Certain KNX devices connect using the building's Wi-Fi signal. In order to verify that a device will have adequate coverage at the location where it is to be installed, this tool is available for your use. Additional utilities. Integrator and Installation Company Directory. The application allows integrators and installation companies to advertise their services. This allows any user, company, or institution to contact them in order to collaborate on projects. KNX Distributor Directory. In this section, KNX device distributors may display their contact details so that the KNX community may access device purchasing and receive project guidance. Communication with other protocols. Our engineering team is working to ensure that our application can communicate with other protocols, including DALI, Modbus, and BACnet. This will enable professionals to work on KNX projects that also involve other protocols. It is anticipated that these features will be available to the entire user community free of charge in the early part of next year. With IKNX School App, you will be able to grow within the world of KNX, from your very beginnings as a student to your establishment as an expert professional.